Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Options are Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara, Bimbisara. Which text is considered the oldest in India? Options are Ramayana, Vedas, Upanishads, Mahabharata. The Indus Valley Civilization was discovered in the year. Options are 1901, 1920, 1935, 1947. The Great Bath was discovered at. Options are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibangan. Who composed the Arthashastra? Options are Manu, Kautilya, Panini, Patanjali. Who founded the Delhi Sultanate? Options are Iltutmish, Alauddin Khilji, Kutubuddin Aibak, Balban. Who built the Qutub Minar? Options are Iltutmish, Kutubuddin Aibak, Alauddin Khilji, Firoz Shah. The Battle of Talikota in 1565 led to the fall of. Options are Mughal Empire, Chola dynasty, Vijayanagar Empire, Bahmani Kingdom. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? Options are Humayun, Akbar, Babur, Aurangzeb. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Options are Jahangir, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Who is known as the father of Indian Renaissance? Options are Swami Vivekanand, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, B.G. Tilak, Aurobindo Ghosh. The revolt of 1857 began at. Options are Delhi, Kanpur, Meerut, Lucknow. The Indian National Congress was founded in. Options are 1885, 1857, 1905, 1920. The partition of Bengal happened in. Options are 1905, 1911, 1947, 1890. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, B.G. Tilak, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Options are C. Rajgopalachari, Lord Mountbatten, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru. Which movement did Mahatma Gandhi launch in 1942? Options are Non-Cooperation, Khilafat, Quit India, Salt Satyagrah. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in which year? Options are 1919, 1920, 1918, 1921. Subhash Chandra Bose founded the options are Indian National Army, Azad Hind Fauj, both A and B, none of the above. Which leader is associated with do or die? Options are Bhagat Singh, Sardar Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai. Who was known as the Iron Man of India? Options are Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, W.C. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naroji, B.G. Tilak. When did India become a republic? Options are 15 August 1947, 26 January 1950, 26 November 1949, 30 January 1948. Simon Commission was opposed because options are it had no Indian members, it was pro-British, it supported partition, none of the above. Who was the last Viceroy of British India? Options are Lord Curzon, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Wavell, Lord Irwin. Dandi March was associated with which movement? Options are Quit India, Civil Disobedience, Non-Cooperation, Swaraj Party. Gandhiji's first satyagraha in India was held at options are Ahmedabad, Champaran, Kheda, Dandi. Which Indian leader is called Lokmanya? Options are Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishan Gokhale, Dadabhai Naroji, Madan Mohan Malviya. Which year was the Rowlatt Act passed? Options are 1917, 1919, 1921, 1930. Gave the slogan Jai Hind? Options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Patel, Mahatma Gandhi. Which British official divided Bengal in 1905? Options are Lord Lytton, Lord Curzon, Lord Ripon, Lord Mountbatten. Who founded the Arya Samaj? Options are Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Arvind Ghosh. Who wrote Hind Swaraj? Options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Where was Bhagat Singh executed? Options are Lahore, Delhi, Amritsar, Kanpur. Who was known as Punjab Kesari? Options are Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sukhdev, Rajguru. Which incident led Gandhi to withdraw non-cooperation movement? Options are Jallianwala Bagh, Chori Chora, Simon Commission, Rawle Act. Which session of INC adopted Poon Swaraj Resolution? Options are Lahore 1929, Calcutta 1928, Bombay 1930, Surat 1907. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Options are Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, B.K. Dutt. The cabinet mission came to India in options are 1942, 1945, 1946, 1947. Which Indian leader was also known as Frontier Gandhi? Options are Maulana Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Sardar Patel, Motilal Nehru. Who drafted the Indian Constitution? Options are Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru. When was the first war of Indian independence? Options are 1857, 1858, 1847, 1860. Who established the Theosophical Society in India? Options are Annie Besant, Ramakrishna Paramhans, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Swami Vivekanand. Who led the Salt Satyagrah? Options are Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel. Which movement began with the slogan Simon Go Back? Options are Non-Cooperation, Quit India, Civil Disobedience, Simon Commission. Where was the Indian National Army formed? Options are Singapore, Delhi, Tokyo, Bangkok. Who presided over the Lahore session of Congress in 1929? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel. Which treaty ended the First Anglo-Maratha War? Options are Treaty of Basin, Treaty of Salbai, Treaty of Seringapatam, Treaty of Lahore. Who founded the Servants of Indian Society? Options are Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Tilak, Annie Besant, Dadabhai Naoroji. Which Indian leader was known as Deshbandhu? Options are C.R. Das, B.G. Tilak, Madan Mohan Malviya, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, keep studying and don't forget to comment your score.